Ever wondered which satellite navigation system is the best? In an age where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, satellite navigation systems have become an integral part of our daily lives. These systems, often nestling quietly in the background, guide us through our journeys, whether we're navigating city streets or crossing vast oceans. Today we're taking a closer look at the three giants of satellite navigation: GPS, Galileo, and BeiDou. GPS, the pioneer of satellite navigation, born in the USA; Galileo, Europe's answer to the satellite navigation system; and BeiDou, the rising star from China. Each of these systems has its own unique features, strengths, and weaknesses. But what makes one system better than the others? How do they compare in terms of accuracy, reliability, and coverage? And most importantly, how do these systems shape our interaction with technology and the world around us? Stay tuned as we dive into the nitty-gritty of GPS, Galileo, and BeiDou. Kicking off our comparison, we have GPS, the pioneer in satellite navigation. The Global Positioning System, or GPS as we commonly know it, was the first of its kind. Born out of the Cold War and initially meant for military applications, it was the United States that introduced us to this revolutionary technology back in the 1970s. The GPS operates through a constellation of 24 satellites that orbit the Earth twice a day, providing coverage anywhere on the planet. This extensive coverage, along with its consistent reliability, has made it a staple in navigation for decades. From helping us find the nearest coffee shop to guiding ships in the vast ocean, GPS has been a reliable companion. But what about its accuracy? Well, with real-time positioning, the GPS can pinpoint your location to within a few meters. Impressive, right? But it is worth noting that factors like buildings, trees, and even atmospheric conditions can affect this accuracy. Let's delve a bit into the key features of GPS. It offers three-dimensional location data, meaning it can tell you not just your latitude and longitude, but also your altitude. On top of that, it provides velocity data, making it an essential tool for speed tracking in various sectors, like aviation and shipping. Of course, no system is without its limitations. One of the major downsides of GPS is its dependency on the United States government, which maintains operational control of the system. This means that in theory, the US could potentially deny access to the system or degrade its performance, although this is highly unlikely. Furthermore, GPS doesn't perform as well in high latitudes, and while it's generally reliable, there have been instances of signal loss due to solar storms or technical glitches. GPS has paved the way for satellite navigation, but how does it stack up against the newcomers? Well, that's a question we'll be exploring as we dive into our next contenders, Galileo and BeiDou. So, stay tuned. Next up, we have Galileo, Europe's answer to GPS. Galileo, a project backed by the European Union, was launched with the vision to establish Europe's independence in the satellite navigation arena. Named after the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei, it took flight in the early years of the 21st century, with the first satellites being launched in 2011. Unlike GPS, which is primarily controlled by the US Department of Defense, Galileo is a civilian-controlled system which gives it a unique edge. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from guiding cars and planes to aiding search and rescue missions. But what truly sets Galileo apart is its accuracy. While GPS can pinpoint a location within a few meters, Galileo takes it a step further, boasting an unprecedented precision of up to 1 meter. Yes, you heard that right, 1 meter. This kind of accuracy can be a game changer in numerous fields, from autonomous driving to precision farming. As for coverage, Galileo's constellation of 30 satellites ensures global coverage. These satellites are strategically positioned in 3 orbital planes to deliver reliable signals no matter where you are in the world, even in the most remote corners. But Galileo doesn't just stop at providing accurate and reliable navigation. It's also equipped with a unique feature called the Search and Rescue Service. In the event of an emergency, Galileo satellites can relay distress signals from the person in danger to the Rescue Coordination Center, thereby speeding up rescue efforts. So, how does Galileo stack up against GPS? Well, it's clear that Galileo brings a distinct set of advantages to the table. Its civilian control, superior accuracy, and unique features like the Search and Rescue Service make it a formidable competitor in the world of satellite navigation. Galileo certainly brings a lot to the table, but how does it compare to China's BeiDou? Let's find out in our next segment. Finally, we have BeiDou, the rising star from the east. This Chinese satellite navigation system, named after the Chinese word for the Big Dipper constellation, is no small player on our global stage. Launched in the late 90s, BeiDou initially served China and neighboring regions. However, it has since expanded its coverage globally, making it a true competitor in the world of satellite navigation. Its journey from a regional system to a global one is a testament to China's ambition and technological prowess. Now let's discuss BeiDou's accuracy. It boasts an impressive positioning accuracy of 10 meters, rivaling that of GPS and Galileo. This accuracy, combined with its dual frequency capability, makes BeiDou a reliable choice for various applications, from navigation to disaster relief efforts. Moving on to coverage, BeiDou offers global coverage with a constellation of more than 35 satellites. This vast network ensures that users anywhere in the world can access accurate and reliable positioning data. What sets BeiDou apart, however, are its unique features. One such feature is its short message service. This service allows users to send and receive short messages via the BeiDou system, a feature not available in GPS or Galileo. Furthermore, BeiDou also provides a regional enhancement service, offering even greater accuracy within the Asia-Pacific region. In comparison to GPS and Galileo, BeiDou holds its own. While GPS is the pioneer and Galileo is Europe's answer to satellite navigation, BeiDou marks China's significant strides in this field. It matches them in accuracy, surpasses them in certain features, and has the potential to offer even more in the future. BeiDou's rise to prominence has been swift and significant. With its unique features and global coverage, it has cemented its place as a key player in the world of satellite navigation. But the question remains, BeiDou is making waves in satellite navigation, but which system comes out on top? We'll delve into that in the next segment. Now that we've looked at each system individually, it's time for the ultimate comparison. Let's put GPS, Galileo, and BeiDou side by side and see how they stack up in terms of accuracy, coverage, reliability, and other key features. Let's start with accuracy. GPS, the pioneer of satellite navigation, provides an accuracy of about 30 feet, which is pretty good for most applications. However, Galileo, Europe's answer to GPS, takes it a step further, promising accuracy down to 1 meter for public use. That's about 3 feet, a significant improvement over GPS. Now, BeiDou, the rising star from China, claims to offer accuracy down to 10 centimeters in the Asia-Pacific region. That's just under 4 inches, which is quite impressive. Next, let's talk about coverage. GPS, being the oldest system, has global coverage. No matter where you are on the planet, you can get a GPS signal. Galileo too offers global coverage, which is a significant achievement for a relatively new system. BeiDou, on the other hand, initially focused on the Asia-Pacific region, but has expanded its coverage globally since 2018. Now, on to reliability. GPS, having been around for decades, has proven its reliability time and time again. It's the go-to system for many people around the world. Galileo, though newer, has also shown reliable performance. BeiDou, being the newest entrant, still has to prove its reliability over time. However, it's worth noting that BeiDou has a unique feature, a short messaging service, allowing users to communicate brief texts, which could be a lifesaver in emergency situations. Finally, let's consider other key features. GPS, while reliable and widely used, doesn't offer many extra features. On the other hand, Galileo has a unique search and rescue function that can locate and assist people in distress anywhere in the world. BeiDou, besides its short messaging service, also offers a unique feature, differential and precise point positioning services, allowing for high-precision navigation and timing services. So, what's the verdict? Well, it's a mixed bag. GPS, the veteran, offers reliability and global coverage, but lacks in accuracy and additional features. Galileo, the middle child, provides enhanced accuracy and a unique rescue feature, but is still building its reputation for reliability. BeiDou, the newcomer, impresses with its accuracy and unique features, but is yet to prove its reliability over the long haul. So there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of GPS, Galileo, and BeiDou. Each system has its strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately, the best system for you depends on your specific needs.